welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been posting lately. It's because it's winter and I've been ill and that because it's freezing outside. But I'm back with a video, guys, and I am going to be doing an eyeshadow look. I've been practicing my eyeshadow lately, so I'm probably okay at it. Not the best though, as you guys have seen in my old videos. But give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is just use my illuminating primer and put this all over my face, and then I'm going to be using my concealer and just applying this under my eyes and wherever else I need it. Next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and finish the rest of my base makeup. I sometimes wear setting powder, but I don't anymore because I feel like it makes me look a bit cakey. But I just put on some blusher and also some highlight. Guys, so now I'm just taking this NY City Girl palette and I'm actually going to take this matte base colour right here and I'm going to apply this on all across my lids just for a base. The Master Eye Palette from PS, and I'm taking this peachy shade right here and just going to blend this into my crease. Now I'm taking this little single palette right here. It says 17 on the front. It's just like a nice pinky slash highlight shade, and I'm just going to take this and put it just in the fronts of my eyelids. So next, guys, I'm taking this purple colour right here and I'm just going to blend this on like the outer crease of my eyelids. So now I'm taking the Paint Box eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this tiny Real Techniques brush and I'm taking this shade right here and putting that in the inner corners of my eye. So first I'm going to just curl my eyelashes and then I'm going to apply the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. This Juicy Love lip gloss and I'm just going to apply this. hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I am aware that this makeup look isn't the best, but my sister went ahead and done my brows off camera. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye!